Massive controversy has erupted at Assam University after multiple students from the Department of Social Work have accused an assistant professor of sexual harassment, intimidation and abuse of authority. According to an FIR submitted to the Assam University Police Outpost on May 4th, the accused allegedly engaged in repeated acts of misconduct, including making sexually explicit and defamatory remarks, threatening academic retaliation, and manipulating students into supporting him falsely. The students claim that the accused exploited his position during academic interactions to subject them to degrading and coercive behavior. As per inputs, the complainants have assured the police that they are prepared to present concrete evidence, including mobile recordings, call logs, screenshots and witness accounts to support their claims. The officer in charge of the University Police Outpost has acknowledged receipt of the complaint, and students have demanded the prompt registration of an FIR and action against the accused. Till the filing of this report, neither the accused assistant professor nor the university administration has issued any public statement regarding the allegations. The matter is currently under preliminary investigation. My colleague Bikram Sarkar joins us live from Silchar for all the latest. So, Bikram, this is indeed a very serious charge, a very serious matter that has come to light in one of Assam's premier universities. So, what more can you gather at this point in time, and how is the situation at the university campus at this point in time?
Yes, Ronak, it's indeed a very serious accusation that came up, and for Assam University, like Assam University, an institution which hold respect, and this is kind of a thing which comes up one or more 2 days. That is, before a month ago, another incident of this kind of sexual harassment or defamatory remarks on a student by other came up, where the police took their action. Again today on 4th. Complaint has been filed against assistant professor of social work department who was for the intimidation and abuse of authority came into picture, though the police sources are saying that they have acknowledged the entire matter. And also from the sources of police department, we came to know, Ronak, that a few days back, before this FIR got launched today in the court, that this individual professor of social work department, he also filed an FIR against some of the students, accepting that this can happen. He might have assumed that both those students may have some disproves of his misconduct, or they will come into light after the police turn up. So before that, he make a step forward and filed the FIR 3 or 4 days back. But today, after finding no way out from no results from the authority of Assam University, the students, they filed an FIR and acknowledging that the key allegations, Ronak, if we mention the key allegations that are made, are like, the first one is the sexual harassment and derogatory remarks aimed at female students. Second point was criminal intimidation with threats of academic penalties and detention. Third was defamation and character assassination targeting students and staff, coercion of secure false statements in his defense, and the fifth one is the systematic abuse of authority resulting in severe mental trauma. So, Ronak, this is not the first case. Many a case are getting hidden, or the autonomous body, they used to settle the entire matter inside the premises because many of the students think they will get a good mark. But there are some students who do not entertain this kind of vulgar intimidation or vulgar intention of some of the professors, not all, but some of the professors have their this kind of mentality that if they are in the strong chair, they are in the power, so they can do anything. Maybe whatever the sin is, after some days, as police has already registered the matter, they will come into bring up with some confusion. The investigation has already been started. They had a talk with the party who launched the FIR, the students, and also they are in touch with the assistant professor of social work department. And very soon we believe that the conclusion will come, and those who are involved in such kind of vulgarity will be underbarred. The law will take its own course, Ronak.
Right. So, Bikram, now that these students have filed a formal complaint with the police, the matter has clearly gotten more serious. So, can we expect the university authorities to issue a formal statement soon enough?
Well, everybody, all the students and all the authorities are also trying to get some official statement from the authority or a step that they will take. But as per the information that we are having, that the going to take strong action, this protest really, and maybe after that we will have to see the entire episode when the authorities will be coming up with some conclusion whether the student get convinced or not. Everything which depends on the time, but yes, we will try to talk with the authority to get the real picture out and what are the conclusions that they will be giving to the students, or to suppress the entire matter, or whether this the accused person, if get charged, then what will be the action be taken by the Assam University Authority, Robert.
Absolutely. So, what will be the next move by the Assam University authorities? That remains to be seen. For now, Vikram Sarkar, thank you very much for all those details.